The Lotus Sutra, Chapter 25, The Gateway to Every Direction, manifested by Bodhisattva Avalokitesvara. At that time, Bodhisattva Avalokitesvara did not dare to receive it. Akshayamati addressed Bodhisattva Avalokitesvara, saying, "I entreat you to accept this necklace out of pity for us." Then the Buddha said to Bodhisattva Avalokitesvara, "You should accept this necklace out of pity for such humans and non-humans as this Bodhisattva Akshayamati, the fourfold assembly, Devas, Nagas, Yakshas, Gandharvas, Asuras, Garudas, Kinnaras, and Mahoragas." The Bodhisattva Avalokitesvara accepted the necklace out of pity for the fourfold assembly, Devas, Nagas, humans, non-humans, and the rest. He then divided it into two parts, and gave one part to the Buddha Shakyamuni, and the other part to the stupa of the Buddha Prabhuta. O Akshayamati, with such inherent transcendent powers, Bodhisattva Avalokitesvara wanders throughout the Saha world. Thereupon, Bodhisattva Akshayamati asked a question in verse, saying, "O Bhagavat, endowed with excellent marks, I now wish to ask you about him once again. For what reason is the heir of the Buddha named Avalokitesvara?" The Bhagavat, endowed with excellent marks, answered Akshayamati in verse, "Listen to the practices of Avalokitesvara, which have their application to all. His vow is deep like the ocean, and his kalpa is of inconceivable length. After having attended many thousands of kotis of Buddhas, he made a great, pure vow. I will now explain it to you in brief. If you hear his name and see his body, and contemplate him in thought, your life will not be in vain, and you will extinguish all suffering. If anyone wants to hurt you, and pushes you into a great fire pit, if you contemplate the power of Avalokitesvara, the fire pit will change into a pond. If you drift upon the great ocean and meet danger from dragons, fish, and demons, if you contemplate the power of Avalokitesvara, you will not be swallowed by the waves. Namo Avalokitesvara. If you are on the peak of Sumeru and are pushed by somebody, if you contemplate the power of Avalokitesvara, you will stay suspended in the air like the sun.